Hello, I'm Alla Land, writer and a forest therapy guide inspired by nature. Forest therapy as a practice has been started in Japan, and as you know, Japanese culture takes the tea ceremony very serious as a special time to connect, gratitude, and enjoy the moment. Tea ceremony is the last core invitation during your forest therapy walk. This ceremony marks the transition back to non-liminal, ordinary time and space. As a guide, I am preparing all the materials before. I have my own sets of cups. I gathered those cups from various places like Costa Rica, Georgia, China, and even Singapore. I have my hot boiled water ready, gently harvesting edible and medicine plants and infusing them for 5 minutes. First cup is always offered to the forest as a way to say thank you for this walk. By the way, we never boil plants, we just infuse them. By doing this, we keep this unique, gentle taste in the water, and all vitamins are there as well. Tea ceremony is moving us back to our ordinary life, giving the moment to reflect and warm up after the walk. This gentle taste of the forest will be long with us after the walk is done. Subscribe to learn more why nature is crucial for us and the way to enjoy it. Alla Land. Thank you for watching.